Welcome to the Divine Words channel. Today we will make a powerful prayer to heal the body and soul. Remember that prayer is an act of communion and surrender to God. Persevere in your faith, trust in God's goodness and love, and be open to follow His guidance, which will show you the right path to follow. But before we continue, please subscribe to the channel and leave your like, so that this prayer reaches everyone who is afflicted and seeking guidance. Divine Creator, I turn to you at this time seeking healing for my body and soul. I recognize your divine presence in all things and in all beings. I ask you to send your healing energies into every cell of my body, permeating every organ, tissue and system. I release all diseases, pains and imbalances that may exist within me and allow your healing energy to manifest. May this energy penetrate deeply, dissolving any malaise and restoring health and balance in all aspects of my being. Divine Creator, I also ask you for healing for my soul. Free me from any hurt, resentment, fear or sadness that may be affecting my inner peace. May your divine love fill every part of my soul, bringing peace, joy and serenity. Lead me on the path of healing and well-being. It illuminates my path and places in my path the people, resources and therapies that can assist in my physical, emotional and spiritual recovery. Strengthen my faith and trust in your infinite wisdom and mercy. I surrender myself completely to you, O Divine Creator, trusting in your loving guidance. I know that you are present in every moment of my life, taking care of me and blessing me with your grace. I am thankful for all the blessings I receive daily, even those I don't realize yet. May your light shine brightly on me, restoring my body and soul. May I be a channel of love, peace, and healing for myself and all those who cross my path. Divine Creator, at this time I open myself completely to your loving presence and seek deep healing for my body and soul. I recognize that you are the supreme being who rules the universe, the source of all life and the essence of unconditional love. I acknowledge that I am a divine being, created in your image and likeness, endowed with power and the ability to heal. I accept the responsibility to take care of my physical, mental, emotional and spiritual being. I ask for your guidance and blessing to follow the path of healing and well-being. Divine Creator, I ask you to send a wave of healing to every cell of my body. May this healing energy penetrate deeply, dissolving all diseases, blockages, and imbalances. It restores harmony and vitality in all aspects of my being. May this healing extend to my soul as well. Free me from all wounds, trauma and negativity that may be affecting me. I ask that your divine light penetrate the depths of my soul, bringing healing, forgiveness and inner peace. I ask for your guidance in finding the appropriate resources and therapies that can assist in my healing journey. Guide me to the competent health professionals, therapists and light healers who can offer proper support and direction. Divine Creator, strengthen my faith and trust in you. Help me keep gratitude in my heart, even in the face of the challenges of the healing journey. It empowers me to cultivate a positive attitude, nurturing healthy thoughts and emotions that contribute to my healing. I surrender myself totally to your will and your divine wisdom. I trust that the universe conspires in my favor and that everything that happens in my life has a greater purpose. Bless me with the healing I seek so much, so that I can live a full, healthy, and happy life. I thank you for your constant presence and for all the blessings I receive. May your light continue to guide me, heal me, and strengthen me at all times. Divine Creator, I ask you to bless all people who are seeking healing for their bodies and souls. May your light reach every human being, bringing relief, renewal, and health. I also ask for your divine intervention for the healing of the world. May diseases be eradicated, wounds be healed, and peace reign in every heart. May humanity awaken to the importance of caring for body and soul, promoting balance, respect, and mutual compassion. Divine Creator, send your angels and beings of light to protect and guide all those who are sick. May they be wrapped in a mantle of love and healing, receiving the comfort and strength necessary to face their difficulties. I ask for your special blessing for health professionals who dedicate their lives to caring for others. It enlightens their minds, strengthens their bodies, and fills their hearts with compassion and wisdom. May they be instruments of healing, providing relief and comfort to those who suffer. Divine Creator, I also ask that I may be a channel of healing and love to the world around me. Help me cultivate empathy, understanding, and generosity so that I can reach out and offer support to those in need. I thank you, O Divine Creator, for hearing my prayers and for always being present in my life. I trust in your infinite love and your perfect answers. May your healing manifest in all areas of my life and in the lives of those who seek your help. With humility and gratitude, I close this prayer, knowing that you are the great healer, capable of performing miracles in our lives. May your light continue to shine, guiding us to healing and wholeness. Divine Creator, in this moment of deep connection, I ask that you engage all of humanity in your healing love. May healing extend beyond individual boundaries, reaching entire communities, nations, and the world as a whole. I ask that your divine light dissolve any division, hatred, and conflict that exists between human beings. May healing be not only physical, but also a healing of relationships, mutual understanding, and respect for diversity. May we unite in love and solidarity, overcoming any differences to build a world of peace and harmony. Divine Creator, I ask you to pour out your mercy on those who are going through difficulties and trials. May the afflicted find comfort in your presence, the helpless find support in your grace, and the sick find relief in your healing. Bless the children, the elderly, the sick, the wounded, and all those who are suffering. It grants them strength, courage, and hope to face their challenges. May your light surround them, bringing healing and renewal. Divine Creator, I also ask you to bless nature and all living beings who share this planet with us. May healing extend to the earth, the oceans, the rivers, and all life-sustaining ecosystems. May we cultivate a harmonious relationship with nature, protecting and preserving the preciousness of this divine gift. In my own life, O Divine Creator, I ask that you continue to guide me on the path of healing and spiritual growth. It strengthens my faith, my determination, and my ability to overcome challenges. May I be a living example of the power of healing, radiating love, compassion, and peace wherever I go. I thank you, O Divine Creator, for hearing my prayers and for always being present in my life. I trust in your healing power and your perfect answers. May your light continue to shine, guiding us to healing, transformation, and peace. Divine Creator, in this sacred moment, I connect again with you, seeking the continuity of my prayer for healing. I ask that your healing light permeate every aspect of my life, bringing lasting balance, renewal, and well-being. May your healing reach not only my physical body, but also my mind, my heart, and my soul. Free me from any negative thoughts, limiting beliefs, or destructive patterns that may be holding me back from living fully. May I experience deep inner healing, finding peace, clarity, and serenity. Divine Creator, I ask you to bless my relationships, bringing healing to any conflict, hurt, or disagreement. May love and forgiveness prevail, strengthening the bonds of love, friendship, and understanding. May healing permeate all interactions, bringing harmony and unity. I open my heart to receive spiritual healing, allowing the connection with the divine to strengthen. May my faith be renewed, my intuition deepen, and my connection to universal wisdom expand. May spiritual healing guide me on my journey of self-discovery and growth. Divine Creator, I ask that healing also reach those I love. Bless my family, my friends, and all the people who are important to me. May your healing light envelop them, bringing health, happiness, and prosperity. May they be protected from any evil, and may they find comfort in your presence. And so, I continue my prayer, aware that your healing is infinite and unlimited. I thank you for your kindness and generosity, for always being present in my life, guiding me to healing and wholeness. May your light continue to shine, inspiring me to be an instrument of healing, love, and compassion in the world. May I be a source of support and comfort to those who cross my path. Divine Creator, I also ask that your healing extends to the challenges and obstacles I face on my journey. Grant me strength and courage to overcome them, wisdom to learn from them, and faith to trust that through your healing, anything is possible. I ask for your blessing for the healing of my mind, so that I can cultivate positive thoughts, a clear mind, and an optimistic outlook. It frees me from any limiting thought patterns or self-sabotage, allowing my mind to be a powerful instrument to manifest the healing and fulfillment of my dreams. Divine Creator, I also ask that your healing extends to my spiritual life. It strengthens my connection with you, broadening my spiritual awareness and opening the channels of divine communication. May I feel your loving presence and receive clear guidance from my higher self. Amen. Don't forget to leave your prayer requests and your amen in the comments, and share this video for someone who is in need of prayers.